So this is how we can use focus mode on the iPad. So let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the focus mode literally makes the iPad behave differently. And you set it up based on some occasion or some type of activity that you want to do. Of course, you can find it by default in the control center where the focus is enabled or, managed right here. You can click on it and select from the existing focus modes, but you can as well go to the settings app and find the focus right there. And this is where you can set it up, right? So you can see I have a couple of different focus modes. So I have like the driving or do not disturb and like personal, sleep, whatever, and you can enable any of those focus modes, right? So at first, inside of the settings, we have to customize them. So for example, I can tap on personal, decide which apps are allowed to deliver notifications and which contacts are allowed to call me, or the other way around. I can choose which apps are supposed to be silenced and which contacts are supposed to be silenced. Naturally, there are more options to change and set up, right? Like the notification badges, which might be hidden, or the home screens might look different based on that focus mode, whatever. But below, we also have the smart activation and schedule, so you can literally plan it in advance. Like, for instance, you can choose it by the location of the iPad. So when you move to into your office physically, the focus mode for work might be enabled, or you can set it by time or app, right? So you, for example, when you open up the work emails, then the work focus mode might be enabled. So you can see plenty of ways how you can do it and turn it on automatically, but you can also turn it on manually from the control center. So as I said, you can always just swipe down and tap on the focus, select the one you want to turn on, and it will start being active, right? So that is how it works. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.